One of the next things we're gonna do is to build a wall in front of this wall, and that wall is gonna take care of sound insulation, as we don't want our neighbors to have issues with the noise that we would make in the future. So we're putting a small wall in front of this wall just for sound reduction. We got the drywall in our first room, and it's halfway in. The other side is not in yet, but if I look like this, it looks like a perfect finished room. So this makes me really happy to see some drywall going in. So we're finally making progress again. We also got a lighting box here, so I got special rings like these to fill that up so that we can still access it from beneath the ceiling. and it's also gonna give us a little bit of extra space when I want an actuator or something in there to control lights or anything else smart or like a sensor, because we got a lot of Zigbee stuff these days which I really love to install in there. So it's nice to make the box bigger. And we got the ventilation, so we also need to make something for that so that it comes through the ceiling perfectly. Big drills, but it's gonna make it work. You may have noticed my automatic screwing gun wasn't working properly, and it seems that I destroyed the bit really bad. So if you look at it, you can see that this is definitely not a good bit anymore. So that's causing that all the screws misfire, and that's why it didn't work that well. But now with a new bit in, it's working like a charm. So let's use that thing and screw up the ceiling here, as we still need to screw a lot of screws in, and that goes fast now. So let's do that. Alright, so we made some progress again off video. So the first room is basically done with the drywall. I just need to clean this sides up of the window. That's all we need to do in this one. So that's going really well. In the second room, I got the same thing on the windows. I got these little corners, don't know what to do with that one yet. And I still need to make one plate, because that's a really awkward angle. I want to wait until I have more rest pieces, so I can cut something out of a rest piece for that one. Now, we also worked on the third bedroom, so we got the whole ceiling in here as well. And this one was quite challenging with the part up there, as it's basically up in the corner. And yeah, that's not too likely to get on a 45-degree angle plate, but we did it. We also got this side nicely in, so that's all nicely built. And put wall up here, so we have a plate to screw the drywall to. Ceiling on the dormer window as well. And now I'm working on the wall between the toilet room, so that we can build the toilet room completely. So let's continue on that.
Alright, so I've been working on the upstairs in the past weeks and we got walls up. So we got toilet walls, the bathroom walls, basically the whole hallway is looking almost closed except for these two panels, and that's looking really nice. Of course the ceiling still has to be done, but I mean most of the rooms, they start to look really good now. And we also got the bathroom, which is starting to look better and better, and I really like that. So we are making progress finally. So let's quickly continue this, as I like to keep up the speed on this so that we get something done.
Alright, so we got some ceiling in the bathroom. So
I did a lot of this off camera because it just takes some time to cut these pieces, make the holes and all that kind of stuff. And it's not too interesting, I can tell you, but we made this. So this is made. Now this wall is up. And we also need to make that wall sometime, but not today. Then here we got a toilet room, but I think we need to leave this open for a while because we got some pipework there, which I don't think is quite complete yet because it needs to get out of the wall, and that's not possible at the moment with the length that it has. So that's something that we have to leave for now. But I think we can make the ceiling in here. That would be nice. And we can also drill holes in the bathroom for the lights. Because it would be nice to drill a few holes here to make the lights in the bathroom. So in this room we still got this wall here to do. So we're gonna make all the drywall on there right now. That way I can drill the holes for the power plugs, because I like to have power plugs in that wall as well, even though there's power plugs there and there's power plugs there. If there's a power plug there as well, if you ever need lights in the hallway, I can easily drill through again, and then we got power there as well. So let's make power plugs there as well.